Welcome to Egypt. I'm Joseph. God warned us about a famine, so we must gather food now. Look at all this golden grain. Today, we'll learn how to use many and much while we work. Are you ready to help me save Egypt? Let's go, friends. It is time to start gathering food. Look at these large baskets. We have so many baskets to fill. We use many for things we can count, like 1, 2, 3 baskets. Can you say it with me? Many baskets. Great job. Counting helps us know how much space we have. Let's grab our tools and get to work right now. Now look at the grain. There is so much grain. We use much for things we cannot count one by one, like sand or flour. We don't say 1 grain, 2 grains when it's a big pile. We just say much grain. It's a lot of food. This grain will keep everyone full and happy. Joseph needs many bags of the wheat. Count them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Since we can count the bags, we use many. How many bags do we need? We need many bags to store all this harvest. Each bag is important. Let's make sure they are all strong and clean. Wow, there's much dust in the air because we are working hard. Can you count dust? No, it's too small. So we say much dust. It's everywhere. But don't worry, a little dust won't stop us. We are doing a great job for God. Keep pushing. We have a lot of work left to do. I see many workers in the field. Let's count some of them. 1, 2, 3. There are many people helping today. Because we can count people, we use many. It's wonderful to have so many friends working together. Unity makes the work light. Thank you for helping today. Are you enjoying learning with Joseph? We have many more Bible stories to share with you. If you want to learn more English and Bible lessons, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Join our family today. Don't miss any of our fun and holy adventures. Look at the sky. There is much sunlight today. Sunlight is something we feel, but we cannot count it like blocks. So we say much sunlight. It helps the crops grow strong before the dry years come. God's sun is a blessing for our fields. Let's use this light to work. Joseph has many jars for the oil. Let's count the jars. 1, 2, 3. Yes, many jars. We use many because jars are objects we can count easily. How many jars can you see on the shelf? Put them in the cart carefully. Every jar will be useful when the food is scarce. Inside the jars, we put much oil. Oil is a liquid, so we cannot count it by pieces. We say much oil. It's thick and golden. Just like God's grace, it is much and overflows. Be careful not to spill any. Every drop is precious for the families that will need it later. I see many camels waiting to carry the food. 1, 2, 3, 4. Many camels are ready for the journey. Since we can count the camels, we use many. They are strong animals and can carry many heavy sacks. Let's lead them to the storehouse. They are very helpful. The camels drink much water. Water is another thing we cannot count one by one. So we say much water. They need to drink a lot to stay strong in the heat. Let's give them much water before we start a long walk. A thirsty camel cannot work well. Fill the tub /. We have gathered many sheaves of wheat today. Look at the piles. 1 sheaf, 2 sheaves, many sheaves. You're getting really good at this. Many is for things we count. We are filling the storehouses quickly. Pharaoh will be very happy with our hard work today. There is much joy in my heart because God is with us. Joy is a feeling, so we say much joy. You cannot count joy, but you can feel it. Working for God brings much happiness to everyone. Do you feel the joy too? Let's keep a smile on our faces as we finish the task. Let's review. Use many for things you can count, like many bags or many friends. Use much for things you cannot count, like much grain or much love. You did a fantastic job helping Joseph today. You are a great English learner. God bless your effort and your heart. Thank you for helping me gather the grain. Remember, God always provides. For more fun lessons like many and much, subscribe to Learn English and Bible for Kids. Give this video a thumbs up and share it with many friends. See you in the next Bible adventure. Bye-bye.